I've just been watching the Reggie Bop channel, and she's been making some quite nice handmade merchandise, and says, has anyone got any ideas? Well, I haven't got ideas of actual handcrafted merchandise, but I'm going to show you some paper folding merchandise. I used to be an origami expert about 30 years ago, but I haven't done it for quite a while. So I'm going to show you some of my skills, my paper folding skills. And I'm going to make a bird out of a piece of paper, Japanese style. If you watch this video, you'll be able to make it yourself. Every fold has to be precise. You'll run into problems along the way. So you've got to make every fold precise. Such big hands, but I can fold paper very nimbly. Tear this bit off. This is now waste. Hopefully I'm going to recycle this paper. Just so you can see the fold. At this stage now, if you can see, lay the paper flat on a table, lift this piece up, do it so you can see it. I used to be a lot faster when I used to practice years ago, but I'm obviously slower with lack of practice. Take a look at that fold. I'm going to get back in practice again. I make a lot of things. You can make them out of paper at first and then craft them into useful things. So at this stage now the other side. This is an oriental craft, a Japanese oriental craft, and it's called origami. You must have heard of origami. Usually people with small hands are better at this job than people with big hands as mine. But I'll prove you wrong. Even with big hands you can fold paper. We're now at this stage now. This is the stage. You fold this over. If you can see what I'm doing, you fold this over. Hang on a minute, almost forgotten how to do it. See, that's there. Almost forgotten how to make it. Let me see. Right. Fold this over like that. You fold this over like that. And you fold this up. This here like that. Turn it over. Fold that like that. You're at this stage now. Pull this out. Turn it round. Pull this out like that. You're at this stage now. Now we're going to make the head. Here we have the head of the bird. Now we've got to make the beak. Now we have the beak of the bird. Here's the beak of the bird. Get your fingers and just roll the wings. Roll the wings. And there you have a bird. There you are. Got a bird that can fly. Woo! Let me get a close-up of this for you. I'm going to refocus on that bird. So you pull this in, you've got a bird that can fly. You hold this piece here, you hold your finger on here, this tail, and you pull on this tail. Here's the version here, look. Flying bird. The view underneath. Yeah. It's amazing what can be done with just paper. See you later. Woo!